Hey everyone, thanks for watching. We're in Cologne and walking along the Rhine River on our way to the Chocolate Museum. This is one of the main attractions for visitors to see when in town, and we didn't want to miss it. The museum is located at a rather fun spot along the river. We had a quick look around before going inside. It's just before the holidays, so the Christmas market is setting up. There's a pirate ship nearby, and an opportunity for me to get my picture with the captain. So depending on when you visit, there will be other sights to see and things to do. We bought our tickets online to make sure that we could get in on this particular day. It's always good to plan in advance, as this place is rather popular with tourists. Be sure to visit the museum's website to learn more about ticket prices and to make your purchase. The website is in both German and in English, and I noticed you can purchase tickets in French as well. There are various ticket prices for adults, children, families, students, and other visitors. Also, a weekday visit should cost a bit less than going on the weekend. The first floor will take you through a tropical landscape in an enclosed greenhouse. Since it's climate controlled, one door will close before another opens. Here's where I saw cocoa trees up close. I saw a banana tree too. After leaving the greenhouse, you'll learn about the cocoa beans from harvest all the way to fermentation and drying. You'll see that chocolate is big financial business worldwide. Okay, on to the fun stuff. We're now on the second floor, where you wander through a small functioning chocolate factory. Here's where you see chocolate being poured, cooled, wrapped, and distributed. Waiting in line was the way to go, as you can see the operation up close. As your turn approaches, you can hit a button and receive a chocolate all for yourself. For another sample, there's a fountain on this floor overlooking the Rhine River. A staff member will give you a wafer cookie that was dipped in the fountain of fresh, warm chocolate. If you still haven't had your fill, you can have your own chocolate made upstairs or purchase some at the store located near the entrance. I'd be remiss to also mention that we were given a few pieces of chocolate when we entered the museum and when we left. We found the staff to be very friendly. Moving up to yet another floor, you'll enter the chocolate studio. You can watch chocolatiers up close make chocolate figurines from start to finish. Either look through the windows or think about joining a group class. Information is on the museum's website. Please note that depending on day, class, or type of tour you would like, they may only be offered in German, so if you don't speak the language, review carefully as you buy your tickets. Talking of figurines, they have a section showcasing specially designed molds for chocolate. You can see Santa Claus, the Easter Bunny, soldiers, and characters from fairy tales. As the sign reads, chocolate can be a rather expensive luxury if you want an accomplished chocolatier using the very best ingredients to create a beautiful work for you. And if you see a figurine with two-tone coloring on it, those final touches were made by hand. As I mentioned a few moments ago, you can also have your own chocolate created to your tastes. Just choose from one of the three, either milk, dark, or white chocolate, and top it off with various ingredients they have available. You can pick from several dozen options. Continuing to our final part of the museum, we went through more history, especially in regards to the discovery and usage of cocoa across the world, beginning in Central and South America. As if you need another reason to love chocolate, it's medicinal. After walking through the Americas, you'll then step into Europe's love for this substance. There are some very fancy items here, so you can see the upper classes and nobility love their chocolate, and they preferred it be in silver serving pieces. And delicate porcelain. They also have chocolate advertisements from multiple countries spanning multiple years. And take a moment to visit the rather detailed, recreated store counter with items on display. Everyone will have a great time here. I saw guests from all ages. You certainly won't be too young to visit, and you won't be too old either. Seeing this entire place takes 1 to 2 hours depending on how quickly you move through all the exhibits or wait in line for samples. We were there for just more than 2 hours and had such a fun time exploring that we went back to revisit certain areas. Don't forget to play with the interactive exhibit that has a cow even congratulate you for answering correctly.
Three for three. Here we go. Yeah. I don't think the Angus took when you first did it. Try it again.
Thanks again for watching, and please subscribe as I'll be adding more travel videos from Germany shortly.